What's up, guys? Welcome to another GNC RC video. Today, guys, we got the Arrma Granite Grom. I really wanted the green one, so I was able to pick up a green one after I picked up the blue one. On one hobby shop had the blue one and the black one. This was already spoke for, thanks D&D Power Sports. And this particular one I got at the other hobby shop. Make sure you guys support the local hobby shops. This will be my first Arrma product. Ready to run, of course, waterproof, metal gears, brushed motor, smart tech, and a 2-year warranty. This has the Spectrum SLT radio, a Mega 380 motor, a Spectrum metal servo. It comes with the battery and the charger. That's the specs. Composite. Check that out. Clipless body. Hex hardware. Oil shocks. Quick release body. Wheel drive transmission. Composite chassis. Monster truck tires. It is waterproof. It has a LiPo. 25 amp SCM receiver. Let's get this thing unboxed. Alright guys, so as you can see, everything is included in the box. Batteries, shock spacers, USB charger. It's USB-C to USB-C. And then you put the adapter on. And you're ready to charge. Little card that you would scan. Support items. Your standard hex tool. Screwdriver. It has the little Arrma logo right here. And this is for the wheels, manual, and a technical pack. SLT controller, which you guys are familiar with. This came with my UTB as well, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, you guys know I'm not going to use this. And what I like about this thing is pretty cool, as far as the body coming off, is just these little tabs right here, which you probably can't see that well, but you just push that in. You got to get used to it, guys. Push those in, push it forward, and they pop right off. So that's how that hinge is made. Pretty cool. So the body, I think that's pretty cool. I didn't know that was actually there. This part just slides into here. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't know if you guys can see, but it slides into this area, and then it just sits down right here. And so these are all field shocks. They feel pretty good. This thing has quite a bit of weight to it. I'm really shocked at the weight. That's one thing that they noticed at the hobby shop today, that it has pretty substantial weight. You have your battery here. This is a 1400 Spectrum battery, 2S, and it's a G2. It has the smart charger cable. You have your 2-in-1 receiver and ESC. You have a heat sink here. This is your 380 motor. We'll see how this one does, so stay tuned. Puts me in the mind of a E-Revo. Now the tires, I can tell they don't have any type of foam in there. This will probably get changed out, but it's not going to be what you guys are thinking, so just stay tuned. I got some plans for this little thing. This is one of these ones you can just grab it, you know, and just throw it out the door and let it go. 129, you can't beat it. This chassis, it's pretty solid. Again, like I say, this is my first Arrma. I think it's going to be pretty cool, guys. I can tell you right off the bat, I'll be needing a wheelie bar. So if anybody's making wheelie bars, let me know. If you guys have any questions about anything, please put them down below in the comments, and I'll try to answer it for you. I'm going to try to get a running video as soon as tomorrow. Hopefully I get this video out today, but I don't know yet. Or tonight. I'm going to pop the batteries in and just give it a run right here on the disc. I'm gonna give you guys a quick size comparison. I had someone that asked me, how is this size compared to the 14B by Associated? I don't have one. I had one, as you guys know, more, but I'm gonna give you a size comparison based on my Losi Mini B. So this is the Mini B. Sorry, that camera angle is kind of in a bad spot, but the wheelbase is about the same. The width is somewhat about the same. This is a little bit wider, as you guys can see. And the length, of course, it's actually about the same. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Make sure you comment. If it's something you guys want to see, a video on this, anything else, let me know. And if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me. But make sure you stay tuned because we got more stuff coming on this. We got a whole lot more stuff coming on. We got a lot of stuff in the work, guys. So just make sure you stay tuned. I hadn't forgotten you crawler guys. I got some builds planned for you guys. I don't know how long it's going to be before I get into them, but I got at least 3 builds right now set up to go ahead and get done. I got one. I got all the parts, ton of parts, just laying around. Got a lot of stuff, guys. There's just stuff everywhere. But make sure you stay tuned. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.